Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area that I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and all this has played out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave to the upside, and I now believe that Gala Games is now ready for a massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target area in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our low on 23rd of March, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see I have this 5 wave structure in white, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.05113 mark, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And having seen the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that gave us a breakdown into this white target area, which was the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I also expected to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And here on the charts, you can now see that we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of the wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, and now sketching out a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fips to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of the wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04951 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep an eye on, and the first one is a break above the wave 1 high. So in case we continue gearing up, watch for a break above the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.04267 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that high, there will be high chances of also managing to break above our resistance zone at around the $0.04336 mark. And the moment we manage to break through that, we can expect a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios on the Gala Games chart. And before I give you what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios, we can first take a look at the indicators, where you can see that on the RSI we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated on that. Also taking a look at the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, which is right here in blue. And that was after seeing a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 that bottomed out within this blue target area. And whatever we are seeing in these Elliot wave structures right here in white, these are fractal waves within the formation of this wave 3, where we'll be expecting the formation of the wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.